Nigerian youth. Greatest Nigerian youth. Greatest Nigerian youth. First of all, I want to thank you. I've been begging you people that let Edo State set a standard for what is called peaceful protest. And with what I've seen, I want to say thank you, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I remain your Commissioner of Police, your friend, your colleague in progress, so that this nation will be better. I want to repeat to you that we should continue in this tempo. By the time we do this, this is going to be a standard that other states will copy on what is called a peaceful protest. All the police where you see around now to protect you. We are here to protect you. It is your fundamental right to show your grievances, and we are ready. Even if you have any letter, I can assure you, myself and government officials will come for it. And I want to assure you that in the next few hours, your letter will get to the appropriate quarters. I want to let us know that, to let you know that we are with you. We are going to provide water. We are going to provide more water. We are going to provide biscuits. We are going to provide some other snacks. Please let us make this a carnival.